Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I welcome you all in AppSec's online support program. Your textbook is Primary Mathematics and the pages which we are going to cover today are 99 to 101 and the workbook pages are 85 to 88. And the chapter is 9. The name of the chapter is Length. Topic is comparing and ordering of objects by height and length. The resources which you are required are textbook, workbook, laptop and mobile. Summary of the lesson. Height can be defined the vertical distance from the top to the base of the object. And length is a measure of how long an object is or the distance between 2 points. Thought of the day. Somewhere inside all of us is the power to change the world. Let's do mental math. Now question number 1 is, which shape has 4 sides and 4 corners? Very good. Square and rectangle. Now question number 2 is, what is 10 more than 10? Yes, add 10 in 10. So what will be the answer? Yes, it's 20. Now question number 3 is, which number is greatest? 12, 20 or 7? Yes, 20 is greatest here. Question number 4 is, what is 13 plus 5? Excellent, it's 18. Question number 5 is, Aliza had 16 marbles. Her mother took 5 marbles from her. Now, how many marbles did she have left? Yes, 11 marbles. Students, today our objectives are understand the concept of height and length and compare and ordering the height and length of objects. Success criteria. Use length to measure how long an object and use height to measure the how tall an object is. What is height? The word height is used when we want to measure how tall or how high an object is. Keywords which we are using in height: short and tall, shorter than and taller than, shortest and tallest. When we use short or tall, we use short when something has a small height and we use tall when something has a greater height. Now students, you can see that this table has a greater height, so we use tall for this table, and this table has a small height, so we use word short for this table. And these are the examples of short and tall. Now, when we use taller than or shorter than, when we compare one object to another object, so we use taller than or shorter than. Now here you can see that Sana is taller than Maryam, and we can also say that Maryam is shorter than Sana. Similarly, you can see that there are two trees, coconut tree and mango tree. So the coconut tree is taller than mango tree, and we can also say that mango tree is shorter than coconut tree. Now when we use shortest or tallest in height, so we only use tallest or shortest when comparing three or more objects. Now students, you can see that there are three persons, Ali, Sabah and Ahmed. Now who is tallest here? Yes, Sabah is tallest here. So you can say that Sabah is the tallest. Now here is another example. Now which building is smallest? A, B or C? Yes, building C is smallest here. So we can say that building B is shortest. Ordering of objects by height. Now how can we order different objects according to its height? You can see that there are three flowers, red, pink and purple. And we arrange these flowers from tallest to the shortest. Now, red flower is the tallest here. Okay. After red, purple flower is the shorter. And in the end, the pink flower is the shortest here. So, in this way, we arrange these flowers from tallest to the shortest. Now you can see that there are three children, Sufia, Aksa and Ahmed, and we will arrange the height of these children from shortest to the tallest. Now tell me, who is shortest? Yes, Sufia is the shortest here. So Sufia will come first. And we are arranging from shortest to the tallest. Now, who is taller, Aksa or Amir? Yes, Amir is taller. Okay, and who is tallest? Yes, Aksa is the tallest here. So, we arrange the height of these children from shortest to the tallest. Now, come on length. Now, what is length? Length is a measure of how long an object is or the distance between two points. Keywords which we are using in length: long, longer and longest. To compare lengths, or to find which object is longer or shorter than another, the objects must start at the same place. Now students, you can see that here is a lorry and bus, and the length of the lorry and bus is same. So we can say that the bus is as long as the lorry because the length of lorry and bus is same. Now students, tell me, how do you arrange these crayons from longest to the shortest. Now first you tell me which color crayon is the longest. Yes, the green color crayon is the longest. Okay. Now how many are remaining? Yellow and red. Now who is shorter? Red or yellow? Yes, the red is shorter. And after, which crayon is shortest? Yes, the yellow is the shortest. So yellow crayon will come at the end. Let's recap of the lesson. We have discussed about terms used in height and length. We have learned comparing and ordering of objects by height and length, and we understood the concept of same starting line and length. Your home assignment is do textbook page number 101, question part A to E in textbook, and do workbook pages 85, 86, 87, 88 in workbook. And if you don't have a textbook and workbook, so do this homework in any notebook and send your homework to your math teacher WhatsApp number. Thank you very much, students. I hope you understand today's topic and work very hard. Share your thanks with others. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.